Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here, Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring Plus. It's an awesome Ocean Pacific blue in color. It's got the chrome accent on the grille up front, fog lights down low, the blacked out honeycomb grille really stands out nice on this blue color. 17-inch alloy wheels, body paint matching mirrors and door handles. Inside we got power mirrors, locks and windows, powered heated seats, premium upholstered seats, steering wheel with all your controls for your voice recognition, your phone, your radio, your cruise. 8.4-inch Uconnect radio with Apple CarPlay and Android radio. Comes with 1 year of Sirius satellite radio. Auto stop start that you can turn on and off to maximize your fuel efficiency. Your park and brake. All your climate controls here. If you can see here, your SOS button for your Sirius XM Guardian, so to help you call 911 if needed. Your personal assistant button to get live help. Your power controls for your rear sliding doors, your rear power lift gate, interior lighting, your garage door opener controls, storage down below here, USB auxiliary ports, some more storage area with coin holders down here. This does have the safety tech group that gives you park sense rear park assist with stop, blind spot, cross path detection, your universal garage door opener, Sentry key theft deterrent system, electronic stability control, ready alert braking, hill start assist, tire inflator kit, keyless go, remote start, remote keyless entry on all doors. Let's take a look here in the back. This vehicle does have 4G LTE Wi-Fi in it, so all your kids can connect to their wireless devices. Has second and third row stow and go. Very spacious back seat, so you got seating for 7. Up above you got your rear entertainment DVD player. All your controls up above. Push button for your power doors. Rear backup camera. Rear built-in sensors. Power lift gate. There you go. Your stow and go in the back here. Everything's numbered, so you just pull according to the numbers, 1, 2, and 3 up top. Push button power gate. Again, we're looking at a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring Plus, stock number 28669T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, or give me a call or text at 937-771-6133, or visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.